We've mentioned the issues with the spread of cases among the Red Sox mimics the uptick in cases we are seeing in Boston, where cases are up 65%.
It is worth noting that hospitalizations and deaths continue to remain low. WBZ's Tiffany Chan is live for us in Boston tonight. And Tiffany, I know there are experts out there, and you spoke to some who want to go back to the basics. They say more testing and more masks are needed.
David, Paula, and that's why the Boston Public Health Commission says this is not a cause for alarm. It's more so a reminder to get tested, especially those PCR tests, and to get vaccinated if you haven't already.
Your first booster, right?
Morticia Franklin hopes a third dose of the Pfizer vaccine will give her an extra layer of protection against COVID. The Boston Public Health Commission says the positivity rate in the city has gone up by 65% in the last 2 weeks as people start to ditch the face mask.
What we like to do is stop something before it happens. You know, we don't want this to end up in a situation where there's onward transmission to more vulnerable populations, and then we have increased hospitalizations, and then our hospitals, are under strain.
The commission is urging people to get tested and to mask up indoors. But COVID testing sites like this one in Roxbury are practically empty, a trend that Whittier Street Health Center President Frederica Williams says is happening across the city.
The PCR testing numbers have gone down. People are doing rapid testing at home, but they're not getting vaccinated.
Since the statewide positivity rate is dropping along with COVID hospitalizations, the commission stopped short of calling for a mask mandate in Boston again.
Overall, our hospitals are not under the type of strain that they were under during previous periods in the pandemic, at least not so far. We want to make some very strong recommendations, so hopefully we won't get there.
And after a busy Boston Marathon weekend and also some religious holidays, the Boston Public Health Commission says don't be surprised if the positivity rate goes up again in the coming weeks. From Boston, I'm Tiffany Chan for WBZ News.
That is the trend. All right, Tiffany, thanks so